Hello dear students, myself Ganga Bhosle, your statistics teacher. Today we are going to learn example number 2 of normal distribution. That is, for a normal variate x with mean 25 and standard deviation 10, find the area between first x is equal to 25, x is equal to 35. Second, x is equal to 15, x is equal to 35. Third, x greater than or equal to 15. Fourth, x greater than or equal to 35. First, here given, write down given things, that is mean is equal to, that is m is equal to 25 and standard deviation, that is sigma is equal to 10. First we have to find out standard normal variate. Standard normal variate, that is z is equal to x minus m divided by sigma, that is x minus the value of m is 25 divided by 10. Then for first, that is x is equal to 25, x is equal to 35. Then find out the respective values z with for x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 35. Then z is equal to, for the value x is equal to 25. So write down here 25 minus 25 divided by 10, which is equal to 0. This is for x is equal to 25. Okay. Now for find out similarly z for x is equal to 35, that is 35 minus 25 divided by 10, which is equal to 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. This is for x is equal to 35. Therefore, probability of 25 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 35. This becomes probability of, put out the values in z form, that is here we get z 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. Then the value of 1.0, this 1 can be written as 1.00, that is 1.0 for the value of 0.00, that is here 0.3413. Now we draw bell shaped curve, that is this is our x axis, this is our z is equal to 0, and here we have to find out for the value z is equal to 0 to 1. This is our 1 and this is our 2. Okay. This is our minus 1 and this is our minus 2. For z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 1. This is our z is equal to 0, and this is our z is equal to 1, and this area represents our required area. 0.3413. Now similarly we find out for x is equal to 15, x is equal to 35. When x is equal to 15 and x is equal to 35. First we find out x values, that is for x is equal to 15, z is equal to x minus 25 divided by 10, that is 15 minus 25 divided by 10, which is equal to minus 10 divided by 10, which is equal to 1. And for x is equal to 35, z is equal to 35 minus 25 divided by 10, which is equal to 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. That is P of 15 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 35, which is equal to P of, this is our z value for x is equal to 15, minus 1, okay, minus 1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to plus 1, and this can be written as probability of minus 1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0 plus probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to plus 1. Then from this we have already find out 1.0, that is 0.3413. 0.3413 plus 0.3413, which is equal to 0.6826. This is our z is equal to 0, this is our z is equal to 1, z is equal to 2, this is our z is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 2. Here we have to find out the area between minus 1 to plus 1, that is from this to this. This is our bell-shaped curve. This is our minus 1, and just a minute. This is our z is equal to plus 1. This is our z is equal to 0. This area is This is our required area. Okay. Now for probability, third one, probability x greater than or equal to 15. For x is equal to 15, z is equal to 15 minus 25 divided by 10, which is equal to minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1. Probability of x greater than or equal to 5 is equal to probability of z greater than or equal to minus 1, which is equal to probability of minus 1 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 0 plus probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity, which is equal to probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to plus 1 plus for probability 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity, there is 0.5, which is equal to for 1 from the z table we know the value probability z for 1 is 0.3413 plus 0.5, which is equal to 0.8413. Z is equal to 0, z is equal to, this is our z is equal to minus 1, this is our z is equal to plus 1. Here we have to find out z greater than or equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 to 0, 0 to infinity, that is from this to up to plus infinity. This is our plus infinity, this is our minus infinity. Okay, this is our 0. Our minus 1. And this is our up to infinity, that is this one area. Just a minute, this is our z is equal to 0. And this area is our z is greater than or equal to minus 1. To this. Okay, now find out probability of, fourth one, probability of x greater than or equal to 35. First find out z, value of z, that is z is equal to x, 35 minus 25 divided by 10, which is equal to 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1, that is equal to probability of z greater than or equal to 1, which which is equal to probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to plus infinity minus probability of 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1. We know the probability for z is equal to, up to 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to infinity is 0.5, and for z is equal to 1, 0.3413, which is equal to 0.1587. Our z is equal to 0, this is our z is equal to 1, this is z is equal to minus 1. This is our minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Our center z is equal to 0. Here z is equal to 1 and z lies between 0 to infinity to 0 to 1, that is this one. Our z is equal to plus 1 to infinity, that is this area. Okay, I hope all of you understood this example number 2. Okay, thank you.